Don't eat soaked chia seeds again, not until you hear what Japan's oldest doctors quietly warn about. Because what looks like the healthiest habit on your breakfast table could be stressing your gut, blocking nutrients, and slowly doing the opposite of what you expect. Chia seeds are powerful, yes, but only when used correctly. And according to traditional Japanese longevity doctors, most people are making the same 5 dangerous mistakes without realizing it. The first mistake starts the moment you soak them. Many people soak chia seeds in cold water for just a few minutes and assume they're ready. But chia seeds form a gel-like coating that can stay partially dry inside. When you swallow them like this, they continue expanding in your stomach. Japanese doctors have seen this lead to bloating, pressure, acid reflux, and in sensitive people, even choking risk. Proper soaking takes time. Slow, patient soaking until the seed is fully hydrated, not rushed, convenient soaking. The second mistake is drinking soaked chia seeds on an empty stomach every morning. Social media calls this a detox, but older Japanese practitioners strongly disagree. Chia seeds are extremely high in soluble fiber. When taken alone first thing in the morning, they can shock the digestive system, slow stomach emptying, and trigger nausea or weakness, especially in older adults. In Japan, they are traditionally consumed with food, never as a harsh cleanse against an empty gut. The third mistake is using hot water. Many people believe warm or hot water activates chia seeds better. In reality, heat damages their delicate omega-3 fats. Japan's longevity doctors emphasize that chia's anti-inflammatory power comes from these fragile oils. Hot soaking oxidizes them, reducing benefits and potentially increasing inflammation instead of lowering it. Cool or room temperature soaking preserves their true value. The fourth mistake is eating too much, thinking more means healthier. Chia seeds absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. Overconsumption can steal hydration from your body, leading to constipation instead of relief. Japanese elders treat chia like medicine, not a superfood buffet. Small amounts, used consistently, protect digestion and energy. Large daily doses overload the intestines and block mineral absorption, including iron and calcium. The fifth and most overlooked mistake is never rotating chia seeds with other foods. Japan's oldest doctors rarely eat the same health food every single day. They believe balance creates longevity. Chia seeds contain compounds that, when overused, can irritate sensitive guts or worsen thyroid and blood sugar issues in some people. Rotation allows the body to benefit without strain. Here is what Japanese longevity wisdom suggests instead. Soak chia seeds slowly for several hours or overnight in cool water. Use small portions, 1 tablespoon is enough. Eat them with meals mixed into yogurt, soup or grains. Never rush them. Never treat them like a miracle cure. And always listen to how your body responds. Chia seeds are powerful, but power without wisdom becomes harm. If this video changed the way you see healthy habits, stay with us, because sometimes the habits we trust the most are the ones quietly holding us back.